Life's just too short to always be on a diet. Today we are going to be making a very simple and easy German chocolate brownie bundt cake. Let me explain how simple this cake is. We are going to be using a box of brownie mix. We are going to be using a box of German chocolate cake mix. So simple, so easy. We're not gonna follow the instructions on the box mix. And then for my frosting, you can't get any easier than this. We're going to glaze this bundt cake with a rich and creamy coconut pecan frosting. I purchased a new pan. It is called the Nordic Ware Bundt Cast Bakeware. I'm excited to use this. I have never actually purchased a bundt pan before that did not come from a thrift store or someone gave it to me. So I'm really excited to use this. We are going to spray our baking pan. Simple, easy baker's joy. Okay, we are going to set this aside. Bring in our mixing bowl. We're going to go ahead and add in our brownie mix. I hope everyone's having a great week so far. We are going to add in our German chocolate cake mix. So now we need 4 large eggs. This is a very simple and quick cake. We also need 1 1/4 cups of just regular water, room temperature water. We also need 1 cup of vegetable oil or canola oil. We're going to mix this up really good. We don't want to overbeat it, but we're going to start out slow. We're going to go ahead and scrape the sides of the bowl. That is it. I'm going to stir it around. I'm going to take our pan, make sure it's greased. We want to tap it out. That cake in a 350 degree preheated oven, and we're going to leave it in there for 1 hour. Set your timer. And that's all there was to it. This will be your new go-to to take to potlucks or picnics or anything. I just took the bundt cake out of the oven. 1 hour. 60 minutes exactly. Oh my goodness. I just can't wait. So who am I going to share this with today? I would love to share it with you. I wish I had smell-o-vision. It smells so good. And I think I love the pan. If it turns out like I think it is, I'll link this down below. I'll link this pan down below. And I ordered it off of Amazon. So I'm so excited. This is my first purchase of a bundt pan. I'm going to let that cake cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're going to pop it out of that pan and put it on a cooling rack. If I can wait that long. I'll try not to. I do want to keep it looking good. I'll try not to get into it. Now we are going to frost our beautiful bundt cake. Look at this cake. It is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. The brownie, the German chocolate, it smells so good. We're gonna take this and we're gonna heat it up for about 15 seconds. I'm gonna take it out of the container and put it in a glass measuring cup, and then we're gonna frost this cake. I'm gonna just take this frosting. It's the coconut pecan. You can use any kind you want, but this is a German chocolate brownie bundt cake. So we got it all out. I don't like to heat things up in plastic containers if I don't have to. I like using a microwave, but I do try to just put it in something that is, you know, breakable. I really just want to make sure that no plastic goes into my food. I emptied out that frosting, and it was only 1 minute. And now we are going to take this and just start putting it right on. Just a minute is all we needed it to be in the microwave. What I like about a bundt cake, doesn't have to be perfectly frosted. It just looks good no matter what. We're gonna let this cool and harden just for a few minutes, and then we're gonna put it on our cake plate. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat that. Our frosting has hardened on the cake, and now we're gonna put it on our cake plate. That is a beautiful German chocolate brownie bundt cake. I can't wait to try it. I'm gonna slice this up and I'm gonna share a piece with you, and we're gonna see if it's as good as it looks. Look at this. This is heaven. Share it with someone you love. Quick, simple, easy, inexpensive, and delicious. Go make the cake.